take a look at my exhaust manifold, my exhaust. I believe I have a leak. Lately, I've been getting a lot of questions through social media, which is awesome, about different equipment and the Boss HTX snowplow. I got the 7-foot. It works great for what I'm doing, mainly residentials. I got one small commercial. The questions that I get about the equipment are awesome, but the one question that I do not get is about the unpredictable. I believe it's down on this side, passenger side, because sometimes in the mornings it sounds a little louder than normal, and then when it heats up it goes away. So to me it sounds like a gasket. Let's start it up. Well, sounds like the exhaust manifold. I think this community is awesome for that reason. We could really learn from one another as long as we put our pride aside. I'll never know it all, never will. I love learning about the equipment and the business side of things. The one question that I never get is about the unpredictability of the seasonal work. You know, somebody might think, oh, I live in a Rust Belt state, you know, I'm guaranteed snow. Well, Christmas here in Michigan was 40 degrees, 0 snow. This is the end of the year and I'm standing on maybe about an inch of snow, if that, and it's a real slush wet. I'm not complaining, I'm just bringing the reality of things. We as, you know, business owners or future business owners, it's so easy for us to convince ourselves, oh yeah, it's a guaranteed thing. You know, it's a write-off. We can come up with so many excuses why to buy something. But is it smart? So you want to plow snow? Well, I'm going to share a few things that I've learned. Let's hook up the plow. So how can you predict the unpredictable? I don't look at it like that. I try to stack the deck in my favor, meaning take the time, save up some more money. If you're looking for like a used plow or a used mower because you're starting out, that's one thing. But if you're looking for a backup mower because of the economy and everything that's going on, all that craziness, I think I would rather be conservative and save some money, because other opportunities will open up. There, I said it. I said that like 10 times. Man. One of the things that can actually reduce some of the risk on some of the equipment, trucks and trailers and mowers, is you learning how to do your own maintenance and do your own repairs. Now, the downside is when you're done working all day and you have to go home to repair a piece of equipment, whatever it might be, you have to pull yourself away from the family. So there is a downside to it. You know, with me, I enjoy working on things. I try to get my son, even my daughters, to get involved, to understand, not necessarily to do it for me, but then they have a skill. They understand how things work. And I think that's just so important these days, to have an understanding of things, to see how they function and work, and then we can learn to communicate a lot better, right? Moved inside where it's warmer. Things I've learned about snow plowing. 1, you're always going to be looking out the window to see if it's snowing. 2, you're going to have those clients that call you or text message you when they first see the first sign of snow in their driveway. 3, you're going to be working late nights. You're going to be missing sleep and holidays when it does snow. Actually, here in Christmas we had 0 snow and it was about 45 degrees. It was beautiful. I'll take that over snow. This channel, for me, I just want to reach out and try to help some people make some decisions on equipment and learn new things. And to me, for some reason, I have this responsibility, I feel like, to share things that I've done and share my mistakes to help other people. I had a pretty decent year. Can't complain, except for my right knee I blew out, and my foot on my right leg, I broke my toe. So that was a challenge. I learned a lot from it. I actually learned to slow down, like I said earlier. But hey, at the end of the year, there's another year coming. We can start fresh. And remember, The only thing that we truly have control over is our focus, your focus, whatever we decide to focus on. Just remember that. I'm Robert with Oakwood Lawn Maintenance. Thank you for watching. Smash that like button if you're into that, and we'll see you next year.
From morning sun till dawn, but seas between us braid herod since days of Auld Lang Syne. For Auld Lang Syne, my dear, for Auld Lang Syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for days of Auld Lang Syne.